In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select and change colors in Canva. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow that lets you target parts of an image and fine-tune their colors so your design matches your brand or creative vision. Start by opening Canva and loading a template or a blank design in the size you need. Using a pre-built template can speed things up, but a blank canvas works just as well. Once your design is open, bring in the image you want to edit. You can upload your own file or choose one from Canva's library, then drag it onto the canvas. Make sure the image is selected so the editing toolbar appears. Next, click Edit in the top toolbar to open the photo editing options. From there, choose Magic Grab. This tool analyzes your image and makes key elements easier to isolate and edit without affecting the whole photo. Give it a moment to process. When Magic Grab is ready, click directly on the area you want to recolor. Think of this as selecting the highlight or object that needs the change. Maybe a shirt, a product label, or a background accent. If it's a small detail, zoom in so your selection is precise. You're aiming for clean edges, so a careful click helps. After you've highlighted the right area, click Grab to confirm the selection. This tells Canva, work on this part only. If the selection isn't perfect, you can undo and try again, or refine your click until it grabs the right region. With the area locked in, click Adjust. This opens the adjustment panel where you'll control the look of the selected portion. Find the color controls and select the specific color within that selection that you want to change. If you see an eyedropper or color tiles, use them to target the exact hue in the area you grabbed. Now fine-tune the look by adjusting the hue and saturation sliders. Hue shifts the color along the spectrum. Think changing red to orange or blue to teal. Saturation increases or decreases color intensity, from vibrant and punchy to subtle and muted. Small, gradual moves usually work best. If the change looks harsh, nudge saturation down or slightly adjust hue back toward the original tone. You can also make tiny tweaks to brightness or contrast to better blend the edit with the rest of the image. Preview your design at full size to check edges and consistency, and compare before and after by undoing and redoing a step if needed. Once you like the result, you're done. You've successfully selected and changed colors in Canva with control and confidence.